All right, this one is pretty insane. I'm not going to lie. You have a FOIL looking problem right here set equal to a polynomial right here. It tells you that a plus b is 8. It asks you to find two possible values for c. This whole thing's a mess. So this is how I approached it. Maybe it's not the best way, but this is what I did for what it's worth. I FOILed these guys out. So let's do that. I have ax times bx, which is a bx squared. I have ax times 7, so I missed that, 7ax. I have 2 times bx, so plus 2bx. And I have 2 times 7, which is 14. That's going to equal this guy, so equals 15x squared plus cx plus 14. Now, what I know is 14 on the left, 14 on the right, useless. Don't need them. Cross them out. They cancel each other out. What I also know is that a plus b is 8. This is me trying to make an underline, and it doesn't look good at all. But if a plus b is 8, that also means that a is 8 minus b, because I can subtract b from both sides. So I'm going to rewrite these two and replace a with 8 minus b. So I've got 8 minus b, bx squared, plus 7, 8 minus b, replacing a with a minus b. And then I just rewrite the rest. 2bx, that equals 15x squared plus cx. So again, I'm about to show you what I did, and it's not the best way ever maybe, but I don't know, it worked for me. Let's distribute. So I have 8 times bx squared, so that's 8 bx squared. I have negative b times bx squared, so that's minus b squared x squared. Okay. I have 7 times 8 and x times 8 because I have this weird double distributed property looking thing going on right here. So 7 times 8 is 56 times x. And then I have 7 times negative b times x is going to be minus 7bx. Right next to it is 2bx, so a little bit of combining like terms will happen here. That's going to equal 15x squared plus cx. I'm going to combine these two. And the only thing that changes from the line above is me combining those two. So I have this going on. I have 56x still. And now I have minus bx equals 15x squared plus cx. So this is what I did. Again, maybe not the best way, but this is how my brain works. I have an x squared in common over here and an x squared over there. I'm going to combine, not combine, but I'm going to factor out the x squared so I can compare what I have in blue here to what I have in blue here. So if I bring out the x squared, and I'll actually put it out front so it's like a little easier on the eyes, I have 8b minus b squared x squared. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing here and compare it to the x over here. So if I factor out an x and put the x out front, because again, it looks easier on the eyes, that's 56 minus 5b. Make sure your 56 and negative 5b don't look exactly the same. Now, what I have on the right side is I have 15x squared, and I have cx. So again, this is how I approached it. Maybe it's not the best way ever. This is how I approached it. Once I can find out b, and maybe I can find out b, but I'm going to set these guys equal to each other. I know that this stuff x squared is equal to 15 x squared. So stuff equals 15. So I'm going to write that in blue. I'm going to write that right here. I have 8b minus b squared, x squared, is going to equal 15 x squared. I'm just going to leave that 15. Ignore that line. Pretend that line's not there. That looks like it is a possible factorable quadratic. So I'm going to add b squared to both sides. I'm going to subtract 8b. Look at that. Look at that. Minus 8b plus 15. And I should be able to get b minus 3, b minus 5 equals 0, which means b is 3 and 5. Why is that important? Well, I didn't do the green guy yet. I know that 56 minus 5b equals c. So I'm going to write this out in two parts. 56 minus 5b equals c. 56 minus 5b equals c. I know that b is either going to be 3 or it's going to be 5. So let's plug in 3 and see what happens. 56 minus 5 times 3 equals c. 56 minus 15 equals c. And that is 41. So it looks like c could be 41. Oh, but I have another. B could be 5. So 56 minus 5 times 5 is going to equal c. 56 minus 25 equals c. 56 minus 25 is going to be 31. So it looks like to me my two possible options for c are 41 and 31. So again, is there a faster way to do that? Yeah, probably, maybe, I don't know. But this is how it worked for me. Was it easy? No. But the SATs aren't supposed to be. So that's it.